Hi students, today we will do the revision of chapter 5.
Hi students, today we will continue chapter 5. Today's topic is how to hold a mouse. So everyone get ready with the book, page number 38 we will do today. So let us start the class.
Next, how is to hold a mouse? How to hold a mouse? With both the right and the left hand we can hold the mouse. Now let us see how we are holding it with the right hand. Suppose this one is the mouse and this is my right hand. When I am holding the mouse with the right hand, see, the index finger is on the left button and the middle finger is on the right button, and the thumb and the other two fingers are just on the two sides to hold the mouse. So when we are holding the mouse with the right hand, the index finger is on the left button and the middle finger is on the right button, and we are holding the other fingers like this to hold the mouse. Now when we are using the left hand to hold the mouse, that time the index finger is on the right button and the middle finger is on the left button, and the other fingers are holding the mouse like this. When you are holding the mouse with the left hand, the index finger is on the right button, the middle finger is on the left button, and the other fingers are holding the mouse by the two sides. In this way we are holding the mouse. Now we have a flash test on page 38. Write the names of the types of mouse in the boxes given below. First one, wireless mouse, wireless mouse. Optical mouse, optical mouse. Two-button mouse, two-button mouse. Scroll mouse, scroll mouse. Repeating it once again, wireless mouse, optical mouse, two-button mouse, scroll mouse.
So today's CW work is clear. HW work will be to read the pages that we have done today. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So everyone, stay at home, stay healthy, study at home, don't waste your time, and bye-bye.